There's a new tax law change effective January 1st, 2018. You have to be a lot more on top of what's going on this year. We have seen a complete phase out of personal exemptions. So no longer will you on the front of the 1040 list how many people are in your household and get a deduction for every person in the household. To offset that, the government has doubled the standard deduction to $24,000 and lowered the brackets to offset the fact that we are phasing out completely of personal exemptions. You've got what we call SALT, which stands for state and local taxes. It used to be, let's say I lived in California or New York, and I had state income taxes, state property taxes, and state sales taxes. I used to be able to, on Schedule A itemized deductions, list out exactly what I paid in state income taxes, exactly what I paid in state property taxes, and an estimation or what I paid in state sales taxes. And then those three amounts together would be aggregated and count as a complete deduction, 100% against my income, so that I would not pay federal tax on the monies that was going to the state and state taxes. That now has been limited to an aggregate amount between all three of $10,000. So that is a huge change for states that have large property taxes or large state income taxes. So the changes that we're going to see at the very beginning of 2018 are going to be probably in the W-4 that you file with your employer. Now, the IRS has put out an advisory that it's going to take them a little bit of time to update the form to incorporate the actual tax law changes. So it used to be that on your W-4 you would list how many exemptions you wanted to claim. Now that the personal exemptions has been phased out and we just have standard deductions or itemized deductions, the W-4 will have to be changed in order to reflect the withholding level that's appropriate for each family. The earliest that we would see implementation through actual payroll processing companies would be February. And I would expect that almost every employee will have to recreate their W-4 simply because I don't see a lot of translation between the way we used to do it with personal exemptions and the way we do it now, which will be no personal exemptions.